Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer about this one. We know that z that is about 8 plus bi. So if we put inside the absolute value, we have the square root of a square plus b square. And we know that this one equals to number 5. And now we put the square for the both sides. So we can see that this is about the circle with the center 0, 0. And we can see that the radius of the circle that is about number 5. Now we need to graph about this one. So we put number 5 cone here. This one is about negative. This one that is about negative. The next one, we need to find the poles. To find the poles of this one, we need to consider about this one in here, the denominator. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So number 1 I will put in here. So in this one, we need to know that when we got about e to the power of z equals to negative number 1. So yes, in here should be about ib and z equals to negative ib, because in this one that is about 1 over e to the power of ib. We know that this one, when we put in here, you got negative number 1. So this one in here should be about 1 divided by negative number 1. And you got negative number 1. That's why we have two solutions. And we need to go back in here. We set up about z equals to a plus bi. So for this one, for the first one, you got about 0 plus bi and z equals to 0 minus bi. So this one that is about 8 equals to number 0, b equals to b. Similar for the second one. So positive b and 8 equal to number 0. So b that is in here. Because b approximate about 3.14. So that's why the location should be in here. And negative b that should be gone here. So after we got everything, we can see that two poles, they go inside about the circle. So in this situation, we need to find the residue in here at z equals to ib. So we put about 3z equals to z minus ib. We multiply by f of z. F of z that is about this one. So for this situation, we need to use about the limit and z approach to IB. So if I put IB cone here and IB cone here, you got about 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So this one we keep the same. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So I will put IB cone here. And we have negative number 1. Now you can do similar for the second one. So I will copy this one in here. So I just change the sign. And you still got about negative number 1. So the residue of f at IB, that is about negative number 1. Similar for the second one. And now we can calculate this one. We got about 2bi. We sum all the value in here. This one we have negative number 1. This one we have negative number 1. And we have negative 4bi. This is the end. Thank you for watching.